Why do we travel? Is it to see the beauty of the unknown? Or taking the risk despite knowing the ugly parts of it? Sometimes we're lost, feeling like your life is headed to a dead end. So we travel to find ourselves again. To others, this may take a week, months, or even years. To travel is to create something for yourself, creating memories, experiences, relationships, and most of all, a peace of mind. Travel is an escape from reality, and learn to live as if you were in a dream.
My mom never told me.
Living comes with change, and traveling is living. Traveling is knowing that your life will change. When you return, you are not the same person that left. You're now different. I'm always reminded by this quote from a 1986 film called Ferris Bueller's Day Off, when Ferris breaks the fourth wall and says, "Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it." The world is vast, and there's still plenty to discover. A day ends, but always comes another. Another day means an opportunity to wake up and maybe appreciate what is beyond the horizon. As for me, I am grateful. Grateful for the memories I once shared with my family. Grateful for a new perspective. Grateful that I am alive today to share experiences and the peace of mind that I've been looking for. So, why do we travel? To travel is to experience life in all its glory. To open your mind to new cultures. To travel is to free yourself from the troubles of the mind. And the most important of all is to find and learn more about yourself. Until next time.